In today's hyper-competitive digital marketplace, getting people to find your website isn't as easy as it used to be. It's no longer enough to simply create quality content or build a great product. You need to ensure that potential customers can actually find you in the vast sea of online information. But what if I told you there's a way to boost your website traffic completely free of charge? That's right. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of organic search and revealing the secrets to driving a steady stream of visitors to your website without spending a penny on advertising. Get ready to uncover actionable strategies that have been proven to deliver results. We'll also share some valuable resources so you can dive even deeper into the world of search engine optimization. So grab a notebook, settle in, and get ready to learn how to skyrocket your website traffic, all without breaking the bank. What is organic search? Let's kick things off with a clear understanding of organic search. In the simplest terms, organic search, also known as SEO, is a method of driving traffic to your website by ranking high in the organic or natural search results on search engines like Google. How does this work? Well, when a user types a search query into Google, thousands of web pages are scanned and a select few are presented to the user as search results. And guess what? Those top-ranking websites receive a significant number of clicks, directing a steady stream of visitors to their sites without the need for paid advertising. And here's the best part. Once you invest the time and effort into optimizing your website, the results can be lasting. Rankings don't fluctuate daily. Why should you care about organic search? You might be wondering why you should invest your time and effort into organic search. Well, let's break it down for you. Firstly, it's all about cost efficiency. Unlike pay-per-click advertising where you pay each time someone clicks on your ad, organic traffic is absolutely free. Once you've optimized your website, you'll continue to reap the benefits without any additional financial investment. Secondly, credibility matters, and users tend to trust organic search results more than paid advertisements. If you want to build trust with your audience, focus on ranking naturally in search results. Thirdly, think about long-term results. When you invest in organic search, you're building authority and visibility that can last for years. Unlike paid traffic, which stops immediately when you stop paying, organic traffic can keep coming for months or even years. Lastly, conversion rates are typically higher with organic traffic, because people who find your website through search are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. They've actively sought out information related to your products or services. Now that you understand the power of organic search, let's dive into some proven strategies to boost your website ranking. Proven strategies to improve organic search ranking. Keyword research. Your journey to higher rankings begins with keyword research. Find out what terms and phrases your target audience is using to search for information. Use tools like Google, Keyword Planner, or Refs to discover the keywords that will drive the most qualified traffic to your website. On-page SEO. Optimize each page of your website for specific keywords. This includes your title tags, meta descriptions, header tags, and image alt text. Make sure your keywords are integrated naturally within your content. Content is king. Create high-quality, relevant, and informative content that satisfies the intent of the user's search query. Aim to provide comprehensive answers to questions and use a mix of text, images, and videos to engage readers. Off-page SEO. Build your website's authority by acquiring backlinks from other reputable websites. Guest blogging, influencer outreach, and creating shareable content are effective strategies. Mobile optimization. With mobile-first indexing, it's crucial to ensure that your website is mobile-friendly. Optimize your site's layout, speed, and user experience for mobile devices. Site speed. A fast-loading website is essential. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to analyze your site's performance and identify areas for improvement. Analytics. Track your progress. Use Google Analytics and Google Search Console to monitor your keyword rankings, traffic, and overall SEO performance. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to dominating the organic search results. Remember, it's a journey that requires patience and consistency. Common mistakes to avoid. Keyword stuffing. Don't overload your content with keywords. Focus on providing value to the reader. Ignoring mobile optimization. Ensure that your website is mobile-friendly. Thin content. Avoid publishing content that is too short or lacks substance. Neglecting analytics. Don't overlook the power of tracking your SEO performance. Measuring organic traffic success. To truly understand the success of your organic traffic efforts, you need to measure and analyze your results. Thankfully, there are tools available to help you gain insight into your website's performance. Google Analytics. Dive deep into website traffic data, user behavior, and conversion rates. Google Search Console. Access data related to your website's indexing, search performance, and mobile usability. Use these tools to monitor your progress, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your website even further. External resources. For additional guidance on your SEO journey, Check out these valuable resources. Search Engine Journal. Stay up to date with the latest SEO news, trends, and expert analysis. MOS Blog. Discover in-depth guides and case studies on effective SEO strategies. Ahrefs Blog. Find actionable SEO advice and practical tips. Neil Patel. Explore beginner-friendly tutorials and valuable insights. Google Search Central. Access official SEO guidelines and recommendations from Google. The future of organic search is filled with exciting possibilities. As technology evolves, so will the way people search for information. By staying informed and adaptable, you can ensure that your website remains visible and accessible to your target audience. Here are some trends to keep an eye on. Voice search optimization. Optimize your website for voice search queries. Focus on natural language and conversational phrases. AI and machine learning. Stay updated with AI and machine learning advancements as they continue to influence search algorithms. Visual search. As visual search grows in popularity, make sure your images are optimized and easily discoverable. Mobile-first SEO. Prioritize mobile-first indexing. Ensure that your site is fast, responsive, and user-friendly on mobile devices. As you navigate the dynamic world of organic search, remember that adaptability and continuous learning are key. Embrace the changes, stay informed, and refine your strategies to ensure that your website thrives in the ever-evolving digital landscape. And there you have it. We've uncovered the secrets to boosting your website traffic for free using organic search strategies. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Stay persistent, adapt to changes, and watch your website soar to new heights in the world of online visibility. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more valuable content. Thanks for watching and happy SEOing.